If you recently downloaded Monopoly Go, when you go into the menu at the top right corner of the screen by clicking these three lines, you might notice that your profile picture is set to a default one, and if you tap on it, you won't be able to change it. If you reload the app, it will randomly choose one of the pre-assigned ones. However, like I said, you don't have the option to change it. The only option you have to upload a picture into Monopoly Go is by connecting your Facebook account. When you select Connect next to Facebook, you will be able to confirm and link your Facebook account to Monopoly Go. Monopoly Go is going to import your profile picture from Facebook, so all you have to do to manage your Monopoly Go profile picture is to upload the picture that you want to use on your Facebook account and link it here. As soon as it has been linked and you reload the app, you will be able to have it shown or be displayed as your Facebook profile picture. So just reload the app after linking and your profile picture will have changed to your Facebook account's profile picture. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your Monopoly Go profile picture.